In this video, let's talk about how to use Android offline without using data. Now, this entirely depends upon what you're actually using or what you're actually trying to use your Android device for. Especially if you're traveling, let me show you two things that you can do in order to stop using or avoid using your data. The first one being downloading the offline maps. So what you need to do is head over to the maps, which is Google Maps on your device. Head over to your profile icon on the top right, head over to offline maps. This section or this option allows you to download the map of any sort of location so that you'd be able to use it even without having an internet connection. So this is the way that you can use it. So you'd be able to zoom in and zoom out. Simply tap on download, and once this has been downloaded, you would not need to use your data in order to go to your location. The second thing that you can also do is, if you're traveling, is use an application such as Google Translate. So simply head over to the Play Store again, search for Google Translate. Make sure you download this and make sure you download any language that you need in terms of translations. And this can also be a great tool. So these are the two things that you can do in terms of using your Android device offline, especially if you are traveling. So if this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.